question is saying unity relationship. So today we have invited a lucky guest who would like to meet Dakila up close and personal. And here she is. Hi, ma'am. Welcome to the meeting. Well, ma'am, now let's start with a 20 pass on Dakila Star. Drop down, yes, like this. Okay. So, Ma'am Rina will ask, is Dakila nice? Yes. So, since you are Dakila's new best friend, he would like to give you a very special treat. And that is a big, wet, juicy, fishy kiss. Alright, so Ma'am Rina, are you excited for his kiss? Yes. How about the Dakila? Are you ready to kiss her, Dakila? So before we start Ma'am, we use my country. All you have to use the spoon towards the floor like this. Then open your cheek and he will give you a very gentle kiss on your cheek. Yes, ma'am. Sure, sir. You can hide it. Okay, and hold it. Oh, wow. That was a juicy one, Dakila. Come on, put the kiss. You like it? You like it? Juicy, alright. Right, so let's put it this way. If you're going to rate Dakila's kiss, on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best kiss you've ever had, what will it be? Wow, very sure Dakila is good boy. So how does it mean that Dakila's kiss is even better than your special someone's kiss? Is your special someone, ma'am? Is your answer? Ay, sir. Ay, sir, I think Dakila's